All right, welcome back. Welcome back to part 2, answering the question, what is the value of one slice pizza angle we have here? And so, again, the large round pizza has 20-inch diameter and is cut into 8 equal pieces. So this piece here I've highlighted is 1 out of 8, or 1 over 8 as a fraction, right? 1/8 as a fraction. 8 equal pieces. So every one of these angles, angle 1, angle 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, all of them are equal angles. And there's a few things I need to go over in order to answer this particular type of question and review of some of the skills that you have. I'll be going back up there to the top in just a moment. But what I want to show you is one whole circle. One whole circle, just like, like a triangle, all angles inside a triangle add up to 180 degrees. Well, all angles inside of a circle will add up to 360 degrees. All right. If you were to cut that circle in half into 2 half circles, pardon my drawing, it's not the best. Each of these half circles, right, 360 divided by 2 is 180 degrees. All right. But more importantly, I want to show you this straight line, or the diameter, right? The straight line, the diameter, is equal to 180 degrees. There's also some other ways we can look at this. So look at below here. Let me show you. I don't want to speed through this. I want to take my time because you can't answer the question without understanding all angles on a straight line will add up to 180 degrees. That's that half circle I was showing you earlier, right? So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4, they will add up to a straight line, which is 180 degrees. Same thing with the other half circle, angles 5, 6, 7, and 8. All of them will add up to a straight line, 180 degrees. And remember, each piece, if I'm going too fast, please rewind, rewatch the video. Each of these pieces are exactly equal to each other. So whatever angle 1 is the same value of angle 2, angle 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all the way through to angle 8, right? And so this pizza pie is only 1 out of 8 pieces of pie. So what I'm going to do, since a circle, all angles in a circle add up to 360 degrees, I'm going to multiply 1/8 to find the value of that one angle times 360 degrees. All right, let me take these off here to show you basically just what I said verbally, right? So 1/8 of 360. Of always means multiply in any word problem in mathematics, right? So 1/8 times 360. Now remember, there's an invisible 1 underneath that 360 degree value. If you don't know, or if that's new to you, check out my video on invisible ones. That'll help clarify a lot of things that confuse people in mathematics. When you multiply fractions, you multiply top to top, bottom to bottom. 1 times 360 is 360. 8 times 1 is 8. 360 divided by 8 is equal to 45. So that angle 1 is 45 degrees. If you add up 45 8 times, you'll get 360. Or what's 45 times 8? 360 degrees, the value of a circle. What is my answer? My answer is angle 1 is equal to 45 degrees. That's your answer in working out this particular problem. That concludes this part 2 video. What I'd like to do, and that wasn't too smooth, is to give you some internet worksheet search ideas. So conduct an internet search for worksheets with answers on finding angles of a straight line, finding supplementary angles, those are angles that add up, to 180 degrees. Angle sum theorem of circles and straight lines. Multiplying with fractions. And so if this was new to you, these particular skills in this video were new, you'd want to practice these skills in being able to answer this test question. If I've gone too fast, please stop, pause, rewind these videos. Remember, math is easy. Take it step by step. If I've helped you, help me to help others. Please like, follow, share, and subscribe. Thank you for your time. Math is easy. Take it step by step.